Hello happy souls, this is my third restoration project, this time with Suzuki Samurai, and we are in unboxing videos part 4 indicator assembly or the blinker assembly. And this manufacturer is from Swiss Auto Private Limited, the same brand which we bought for the wiring kit, and the pricing is 252 for the front one and 258 for the rear one. It is a Delhi based company, and one is manufactured in the year 2022, the front one is manufactured in the year 2023, and I bought this in the year 2024 Jan month. It may vary depending upon the dealer, and this is of Shogun model. The Samurai, the Max 100 and Shaolin came with round headlights, so they adapted the round type indicators, but this time I'm going to switch to boxy type or the rectangular type. So I bought this Shogun model, and because Shogun came with rectangular headlight, so they adapted this indicator. And inside the box, these are all the package. The pricing difference is because of the length of the wire. This is too short and that is bigger than that, and like inside one is faulty one. Even the previous brand which we used for the Suzuki Max 100 project, one came with a faulty one, and I fixed it with a bulb, and the same is happening here this time. And other than that, the brand is good, and see you in next video.